So we're looking at Southwest Airline stock today, and I told you this last week, this buying was emotional buy. People expect it to go to the sister level mark. And at this point, the airline industry stock will struggle to grow because the economy is not picking up and people are not comfortable flying. And so if you're interested in holding this long term, you may want to start buying from here. I'm expecting it to drop more. You can still buy here. Drop out to this level, you can still buy. And then the idea is to hold it all the way back to the sister level and probably more. Probably middle of next year and beyond when people are comfortable flying again. It's a good company well run, so I know that this stock will go back to the pre-pandemic level, which is around $60. And so here, if you buy here and there, right, and you hold it all the way there, I think the risk-reward ratio is in your favor. I hope this helps, and I'll see you next time.